Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here on Friday, 3rd of July 2021, and the time is 17:36, 36 minutes past 5. And here I have, lovely air fried courgettes, 5 slices of them, and I've already put the pesto on top. This is the pesto I made with the potatoes, mustard, garlic, and sweet basil leaves. And I've just put it on top of the air fried courgettes. I haven't tasted them yet because the courgettes are pretty hot. I'm waiting for them to cool down before I have a bite, but I can smell it. It's really delicious. So it's something really simple. I'll put the recipe in the video description so that you can make it for yourself. Okay, see you next time. Bye. It's really simple to make, so I really would encourage you to have it a go, to have a go at making it, and spice up your eating during lockdown. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.